We are opening up our second box of 2011-12 SP Game Used. So the auction just finished about half an hour ago. So we got our teams there. So Self-Disturbed, Anaheim Ducks, Sean, Boston, Dubs88, the Buffalo Sabres, Ask Piper, Calgary, Miss Oceans, Carolina, Tom, Chicago, Columbus, Ask Piper, Colorado, Self-Disturbed, Dallas, Miss Oceans, Detroit, Crow, Chalmerson 4 grabs the Edmonton Oilers, Crunch 38, welcome back to the breaks, Florida, All for Kinds, LA, Self-Disturbed, Montreal, Ask Piper Mini, Bruins 37, Nashville, Oceans 7, New Jersey, LNF, the Islanders, as well as Ottawa. We have a newcomer to my breaks, Spgu, has the New York Rangers. Ask Piper, Phoenix, KCJ99, Philadelphia, Mogwai, Pittsburgh. Tidwell grabbed St. Louis, Toronto, Vancouver, and Winnipeg. KCJ99 also has Washington, and Linda Scout, the San Jose Sharks. So box we are breaking is right in front of us. So box number 163156431. So the SP Game Used boxes that I've opened some have been loaded with hits, some have been extremely weak. Yeah, we got a little part of the 643. We got 6431. So we hit a little bit of 643 in it. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for the quick payments. All right, good luck, guys. So we've got our 6 packs. We've got our empty box. All right, pack number 1. These are by far the worst packs to open. So our first rookie, numbered 579 out of 699, going to the Ottawa Senators. And Ottawa, LNF123. This is a Roman Wick Authentic Rookie. Our second hit, Authentic Fabrics for the Edmonton Oilers. Alish Hemsky. Card is numbered 4 out of 100. Nice orange swatch. And that goes to Chalmerson 4. We have our filler and a base of Stretch. Jeff Carter, Columbus Blue Jackets. So all the cards will be sent in this product. Pack number 2. We got something thick in this one. Start off with a base of Bobby Ryan for Self-Disturbed. We have an authentic rookie, numbered 650 out of 699, Tim Erickson for the New York Rangers, and a hit for Spgu. And our thick one's a redemption. Ooh, Decent one, too. 2011-12 SP Game Used 500 Goal Club. Numbered to 25. Mike Modano. So that will go to the Dallas Stars and Miss Oceans. So SP Game Used 500 Goal Club. Numbered to 25, Mike Modano. Going to Miss Oceans. Nice hit. We've got a base, Patrick Kane. And a base of Shane Doan. So pack number 3. Cam Talbot, authentic rookie for the New York Rangers, numbered 34 out of 699. So a pair of rookies for the Rangers. We've got authentic fabrics for the Buffalo Sabres, Dubs 88, Ryan Miller. We've got a filler. And a Daniel Sedin base. Pack number 4. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mogwai. Number 29 out of 699, Joe Vitale. Joe Vitale, authentic rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins. For the Tampa Bay Lightning and Ask Piper, authentic fabrics, game used jersey of Steven Stamkos. So that one's the number 1 from C number 91. We've got a filler and a Marian Hossa base. Pack number 5. Authentic rookie for the New Jersey Devils and Ocean 7. Numbered 480 out of 699, Keith Kincaid. For the Boston Bruins and Sean 1989-77, authentic fabrics of Brad Park. And that is the P from Park. Filler. And Brad Richards base. And our 6th and final pack. For the New York Islanders and APR.25, Justin DiBenedetto, authentic rookie. We have a gold parallel authentic rookie for the Ottawa Senators, and also APR.25, numbered 36 of 50, of Andre Benoit. And our final card, authentic fabrics, also for the Ottawa Senators, Jason Spezza. And that is the N from Sens. So that is our 6 packs, guys. That is our box of SP Game Used. So we'll move on to the bonuses. So we got our bucket of poker chips on the side here. I would say this box was decent. A decent box of decent box compared to that case we opened up last Sunday. So we'll start, we'll give away 2 packs. First pack we'll give away will be a pack of 11-12 Heroes and Prospects. So we'll take 1 chip and this pack will be mailed to that individual. Hopefully you can pull the McKinnon everyone's chasing for. So we'll give the poker chips a mix. So the owner of the St. Louis Blues, so Tidwell, pack of Heroes and Prospects coming your way. Our second pack will be a pack of Heads Up, and that will go to the owner of the Philadelphia Flyers and KCJ99. We'll also give away 2 cards. So a pair of cards. So the first card will be from 11-12 SP Game Used is a Thomas Vanek Gold Parallel, number 10 out of 100, and that will go to owner of the Dallas Stars and Miss Oceans. And the second one from Upper Deck Series 2 Rookie Materials of Cody Eakin of the Washington Capitals. And that will go to the owner of the Vancouver Canucks. So that's coming your way, Tidwell. So we'll throw those 4 chips back in. So we will take 3 spots for bonus box break number 8. Owner of the New York Rangers. You will have a spot in my bonus box break number 8. And I'm hoping to do both bonus box break 7 and 8 probably the end of next week. Spot number 2 from this break. The Dallas Stars, Miss Oceans, and our third and final one, owner of the Nashville Predators, and Nashville Bruins 37. So the 3 of you will have spots in bonus box break number 8. So next up we have our no-hit bonus. So no-hit bonus. Sorry guys, we just need to refresh the blog. Sorry to the people who will be watching this on YouTube, we just need to refresh blog and then we're good to go. Alright guys, so no hit bonus for this break. We've got a pair of cards from ITG from Decades, Darren Pang. So between the pipes of Darren Pang and International Materials Jersey Black of Kyle Okposo. So these will go to an individual who did not have a hit in this break. So all the teams are in the bucket. So if we pick out one that has a hit, we'll move on to the next one. So here we go. no-hit bonus for this break will go to the owner of the Colorado Avalanche. And Colorado did not have a hit in this break. So Colorado owned by Self-Disturbed. Those two cards from ITG, the Okposo International Material, Darren Pang Decades, are coming your way. Alright, bonus wall time, guys. So we've got our list of prizes for the bonus wall. The goalie's Darren Pang. So I'm really hoping to give away one of the autographed 8x10s. So let's roll the die and see what we get tonight. $28. So 28 is a Be a Player blaster box. So we'll bring out the poker chips again, give it a mix. One individual will get